I'm starting with 14 single crochets just to have a good firm base to begin with. Basically, I need a multiple of 3 stitches plus 2, or multiple of 3 plus 2. To begin, I will chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. That's my first double crochet. And I will skip the very first stitch. So I'm skipping the stitch at the base of my turning chain because my chain 3 counts as a stitch. Then I'm skipping 1 stitch, and I will put my tower stitch into this next stitch. To begin the tower stitch, I'm going to do an extended double crochet. So yarn over, go in, and pull up a loop. Now a regular double crochet would be yarn over and pull through 2, but instead I'm going to do a yarn over and just pull through 1. I've basically put an extra chain at the bottom of my double crochet. Now I will finish my double crochet. So I have an extended double crochet, which is a double crochet with a chain at the bottom of it. So there's a chain right there. The next 2 double crochets are going to go into that chain. I'll do a yarn over, and then I'm going to go straight through there, and as you see, as I go straight through, I'm actually going behind 2 loops. Let me do that again. I'm going straight through, and when I go straight through, there are actually 2 loops that I've gone through. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and complete my double crochet. And then double crochet into that same spot again. It's easier to find the second time. So I basically have 3 double crochets here, but one was an extended double crochet, and you can see it's very pointy there at the bottom. Let me do another one. I need to skip 2 stitches because the top of this stitch spreads out, so I have to skip these 2 stitches. I'll do an extended double crochet. There's my chain at the bottom of the double crochet. Complete the double crochet, and then put 2 more double crochets right into the chain at the base of that extended double crochet. There's this second completed tower stitch, and I will just continue across my extended double crochet, and then 2 more into the base. When I get to the end of the row, you see I have 2 stitches left. I'll skip 1 and put a double crochet into the very last stitch. And there are my tower stitches. If I want to do another row of tower stitches, I'll turn and chain 3, and then I will put the first tower stitch right into the center double crochet of my previous one. So I'll go in, do my extended double crochet, and do another tower stitch. So I'll work all my tower stitches across, putting them into the center stitch of the previous ones. When I come across to the end of the row, I'll put a double crochet into the top of the turning chain from the previous row. There you see I have another row, and I can just continue working back and forth, working tower stitches all the way up.